Learn with Eddie. Eddie, where are you? But where is he? Wow, a flying banana? Okay, that's what I thought. You are picking bananas, right? I couldn't find you since you were hiding there. Just like that, with a banana in your hand and up in the tree. You remind me of a monkey. Of course, Eddie, monkeys also love this amazing fruit. That's why they're always up in the banana trees. But I wonder, how did you get there? I see, you used a trampoline. That was a great idea. If you weren't a dinosaur, everybody would think you are a chimpanzee, jumping from tree to tree.
Oh.
Okay, I think we are having the same idea. Do you want to dress up as a monkey? What a jump! Come on, let's go home and get you all dressed up. Hey, don't forget the bananas. Let's see what we've got here. Great! We have to choose the bodysuit. But Eddie, that's a black suit. Our monkey's black. Okay, I'll tell you, most monkeys are brown. Oh, come on, you were tricking me again. You love doing that. So, try again. That's it. That is the right suit. With its tail and everything. There is stuff for your head here. You are always surprising me. What are you, a Roman monkey? I'm not falling for your tricks this time. The monkey hat is this one. That's better. A jumping monkey makes more sense than a Roman monkey. Time for your makeup. We're going to use the same color as your belly. Everyone will know you are a Dino-Monkey. Done. And since you are now a primate, you'll also need a jumping primate nose. And a line to join it to your mouth. Great! Let's see how you pretend you are a monkey, Eddie. You are such a monkey. That's so funny. Oh no, the call of the wild. Eddie. Eddie? You are the cutest monkey in all of New Roar. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. And you can also talk with Eddie. Send him an email at learnwitheddy@asubio.tv. He will love it.